Hi and welcome to session 5. When you are stressed, your unconscious mind works to protect you from real and imagined threat. In these sessions, you're learning how the mind tenses up vulnerable areas of the body, like the chest and abdomen, and these of course affect the easy flow of breath. Paradoxically, even though you want to get rid of stress, the defensiveness of the body and tightness of your breath actually feel good at some level. It feels protective. But of course, when the threat you're facing is not physical but emotional, these bodily changes don't do anything to help. Rather, they only make the problem worse. So in today's session, you will learn to undo this defensiveness. You'll practice yogic breathing, and you'll also relax the body as you continue to beat the stress. So if you're sitting down comfortably, take a few slow, deep breaths in and out through the nose. Just letting go of any tightness or tension, allowing your body to sink deeper into the chair. And allowing your breathing to return to its natural rhythm. Gently close your eyes and experience the contact of body on chair. Mentally scanning the body from head to toe. Notice and experience how the body feels right now. Take your time to experience sensations in different parts of the body. Notice any areas of tightness or tension, but don't try to change anything. Just experience and notice. Moving your attention now to the breath, allowing the body to breathe naturally and experience the movements. Now allow the breath to go to any areas of your body that are tight or tense. Imagine the breath going in and out of that area, particularly your chest and abdomen, neck, and back. Turning your attention back to the breath. Breathe in to the count of 4 and breathe out to the count of 6. A few more breaths like that. Breathing in now to the count of 4 and breathing out to the count of 8. Few more breaths like this. And now, allowing your breathing to return to its natural rhythm. Notice and experience the rising and falling of the abdomen. Moving your attention back to the contact of body on chair. Notice the contact of air on the skin. Notice any light shining through the eyelids. And slowly and gently open your eyes. Notice how you feel right now, how your body feels, how your breath and your mind feel. I hope you were able to use breath to relax the body, and that you experienced how this relaxation of the body also relaxed breath and mind. Body, breath, and mind are all connected so that you can beat the stress in body, breath, and mind. So do continue, and I look forward to seeing you back for session 6.